A true taste of home, Jamaican style. Nothing beat a real home cooked Jamaican meal made with love. Today we are serving up a full spread of authentic Caribbean flavor from crispy fried chicken to rich curry goat and creamy salad that eat right. This kind of food brings family together and reminds you of home. If you love real Caribbean cooking, you are in the right place. Like, comment, subscribe for more home style cooking, good vibes. On the menu, we have fried chicken, coconut shrimp, curry goat, barbecue pork. Alright.
So we have one who here now.
Mr. Nemerd and Mr. Bowden.
So what I got to know?
It's
We are
Christmas.
going to participate in our Christmas dinner
So tell me what I have here, so.
that we live to see many more. and many
So tell me what I have here, so now.
I think I see fried chicken at the entrance right there. And I see curry shrimp.
There's the curry shrimp there, sir.
Some shrimp business. We don't know if you don't know curry down, but shrimp. So we don't know. I may say steamed vegetable. I may say salad, which is like cucumber and tomatoes. And may say some vegetables cut up. We don't know what you call that. And may say
What is it?
mashed potato right here, sir.
rice and peas,
Me say
curry goat,
bungu rice and peas. Me say curry goat. And me say like some sweet and sour pork or whatever pork it be. So I know say food and me say this.
What
Me
that?
say that dark you know say sorrel.
And what you
that red wine.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So which one of them you prepare now?
When me prepare, no man, I'm out of got taste all the way I go on now. Me don't like preparing things. Me did sick out. Me did supposed to help, but it didn't work out. Me
Alright.
sick out.
Do nothing now.
Grace the table for me. Guide us that we can see many more to come. Bless the hand that prepared all this stuff. That's it.
Alright. Take a sharp photo. Fried chicken. Shrimp. Vegetable. Vegetable. Mashed potato. Rice and peas. Curry.
French dress and this ceiling.
1,000 naira. 1,000. 1,000 naira.
So you can't come eat, you know, so you don't have to be a tea.
No, sir. No, we're ready. No, they're ready.
Joe, this are gonna go up, you know, so this look good, you know. You can't just keep this side. The world are gonna see this.
Ah,
You just roll it home. Take my shear out and gone.
And then come a different style this
You
year.
said film, fam. You said film, man.
Oh, so that's a fling in play.
You said film.
that's how it works.
You said film.
Alright. Some V stream. spoon. Eh?
Need some?
Alright, Joe.
Yep, to play why?
Why you make me Joe, you ready for my video? Still I come up back in that thing. Yeah man. Alright. Let's know.
You say you are, I don't know.
For me?
Yeah.
I'm enjoying my Christmas meal. 2 days back, I was sick. Couldn't even drink water.
You sick because why? You never want to help
We
me
just
cook.
sick. We
You
just sick.
never want to help me cook.
Look at my plate empty because of the back band track. That's why I think.
Alright, me can't do now.
Yeah. So at the end of the day when we eat food, then we have fruit cake. Remember this whole dinner and cooking was, it's Christmas, it's still Christmas. So we did make Christmas cake days before. I did try to stream it, but it wasn't long. So I didn't, because I was sick. Yeah, but I gotta have a piece of this cake. Why not? I'm not that bad now. So this is my cake. Moist, high flavor. So after everything is done, we use the file. We didn't have the coverage for this frying pan, so use file and cover them. We gotta put them in the deep freeze over there, so we can eat tomorrow. Alright, so there you get it. Remember to like and subscribe, share with family and friends. If you want to leave your critics on the video, no problem, leave it in the comments. A good critics are a bad critics. Alright, thank you for watching.